This is also one of my favorite projects. Again, it's from here. It's from Australia. It's a company originally called Go Sushi. By the way, I didn't design that logo. They came to me around 2000, I think it was 2008, 2009. It was during kind of financial crisis. The founders were like, oh, we have really good sushi, but we don't really have many people like buy into it. I wonder why. And I said, maybe you should start from your logo. So we had a discussion, and then had a team came up with the name Wasabi Warrior. And I came up with the entire character of the Wasabi Warrior. So it looks very serious with the whole look and feel. But the fun thing is that later I kind of wanted to extend the family of the Wasabi Warrior, because if you look at the ingredient of sushis, you can see from seafood, pork, beef, chicken, vegetarian, have all kinds of different ingredients inside, and I thought it would be really great to actually simplify and symbolize the ingredient into the characters, so that on their helmet you have the actual symbolic or pictorial ingredient of the food or sushi. So you have the ocean warrior, the pocky warrior, beefy warrior, and each of the warriors are different brothers. They have different characteristics, you have the strongest ones, you have very calm ones, you also have the youngest brother, etc. It looks a little bit goofy. So that's the brothers overall, but the other really fun thing to do is to integrate the brothers and the look and feel into the shop. So now they're very successful. They are now open more than 50 stores in Australia and also worldwide. This is in Australia, and you can see the interior has the brothers kind of hidden in the wallpaper, kind of like Easter eggs. And also integrated with the posters. They recently opened their new store in Hong Kong and also Philippines. So it became a very successful business for the last 10 years. So the takeaway I'd like to give you is people personifying. Because if you really think about it, businesses are run by people too. And giving personalities to your product and service, it will really help the user to resonate with what you do, which obviously, in this case, leads more sales.